Using a search block is an awesome way for people to be able to find your content that you've got on your shop or in your blog on your Squarespace website. Here's how to put that search block and use that search block on your website. In your Squarespace website, go ahead and click the plus insert icon, scroll down, and then you're going to click the search block. Now, what's important to know about this is that it's only going to be able to search stuff that you've published and that's already done, right? So if you have a bunch of blog posts that are drafts, it's not going to be able to do that. But first you need to have it search a specific page, right? So if you have a blog and you have a shop, then it's gonna search everything. It'll pull content from your shop, products that you've created, and it will pull from your blog post. So you can choose to have it search either one. So for example, if I wanted to search only my blog, I'm gonna click the blog page. The next thing is I have some options like display, right? So I can choose to have it dark or light. Depending on my background, that's what I'm gonna do. Since I have a white background, I'm going to click dark. A good rule of thumb is to put the search block in the footer of your website and to also put it on any blog or content page if somebody is having trouble finding stuff. So example, 404 error page, great place to have a search block. If somebody gets to the bottom of your page, they still haven't found what they're looking for, a great place to put the search block. This way, if somebody needs something, for example, if they need some content on SEO, they can type SEO into the search block. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna pull all of the content that I've created from my blog about SEO. So here it is, I've got a bunch of posts on that. They can find all of that stuff there. That is how to use and to put the search block, how it works. It works the same way with products. If you have any questions about how to use the search block, where to put it, any of that stuff, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section and I will respond. If you want to see the full course on how to create, design, optimize, and then launch an awesome and completely custom Squarespace website, go ahead and check the description box for my full free courses there and have fun. All of my love, and I will see you on the next episode.